about our mind. Our mental health is just as important as our physical health. It affects how we think, how we feel, and how we act in our daily lives. Sometimes life becomes overwhelming. Pressure from school, problems at home, broken relationships, or self-doubt. These heavy feelings can slowly build up inside us. And often people say it's all in your head. Just be strong. But mental struggles are not a weakness. They are real and they deserve attention. Mental health is not just about being okay. It's about feeling safe, supported, and understood.
If you are going through something difficult, please remember this. You are not alone. It's okay to push, it's okay to cry, it's okay to ask for help. Talk to someone you trust. A friend reaching out is not a sign of weakness. It is a sign of strength. And if someone around you struggling, listen to them. Be kind, be patient, be present. Sometimes the best support is simple saying, I'm here for you. Let us break the silence surrounding mental health. Let us normalize conversations about emotions, stress, and healing. Take care of your mind the same way you take care of your body because your mental health matters.